Hello everyone, I Kuldeep Sharma welcome you all today's session on 20 GK question which have been specifically curated from today's newspaper. So my advice would be my usual advice. So before going through these questions, these are very easy questions but all of these are important. Before you attempt these, please go through the today's news analysis. Most of these questions have been from today's newspaper only. Okay, so let's look at the first question. First question is, which is the nodal agency for landslide studies and hazards in India? So we discussed this also. It is Geological Survey of India, which is a department or an authority under Ministry of Mines, and it is the authority which is the nodal agency for landslide hazard risk management. Next is NDMA Act was enacted in which year? So we discussed this also. This act was enacted in the year 2005 and became implementable from the year 2006. Next question, what is the primary reason for landslides? Is it heavy rainfall, steep slopes, gravity, or earthquake? So we have discussed this also. These can be the secondary reasons for it: heavy rainfall, steep slope, or a heavy earthquake. But the main reason why landslide take place is because of the force of gravity. So answer for 3 is going to be C. Remember this thing. Next, who is the chairperson of NDMA in India? So we have discussed this also. The Prime Minister is the ex officio chairperson of the NDMA authority in India. So answer for 4th is going to be B. Next question, which organization is responsible for preparation of landslide atlas of India? So your Indian Space Research Organization or ISRO has created a landslide atlas, and it has mapped all the states, all the districts according to landslide proneness in India. So answer for 5th is going to be C. Next question is, as per the landslide atlas of India, which place is most prone to landslides in India? So as per the landslide atlas, it is the city of Rudraprayag in Uttarakhand which is most prone to landslide in India. Next question is, as per the landslide atlas of India, what position is held by Wayanad, which recently saw a devastating landslide, because of which more than 200%, and we are still awaiting the latest casualty figure, but as of now more than 200 people have already been confirmed as dead, and more than 200 people are still missing. So as per the landslide atlas, Wayanad stands at 13th place when it comes to landslide proneness. Next is, State of Palestine became an observer state of UN in which year? So in 1948, State of Israel came into existence. In 1988, Palestine declared its independence, and it is the year of 2012 when UN also provided it with an observer status in the United Nations. So answer for 8 is going to be C. Next question, who is the current president of Palestine? Who is the current president of Palestine? So the current president of Palestine is Mahmoud Abbas. So remember these 4 names, do not get confused, because I have prepared the next question to confuse you only. But the current president of Palestine is Mahmoud Abbas. So answer for 9 is going to be A. Next question, who is the current Prime Minister of Palestine? So the current Prime Minister of Palestine is Mohammed Mustafa. So answer for 10 is going to be B. Next, who is the new president of Iran? So the new president of Iran is Masoud Pezeshkian. Masoud Pezeshkian is the new president of Iran. Next, Chandipura virus infection has killed 56 people in Gujarat. The virus was isolated in 1965 in Chandipura. That's why the name Chandipura virus, which is situated, or which is a place in the state of, so this Chandipura is in the state of Maharashtra. So for 12th, the answer is going to be A. MPs are immune from any proceedings in court in respect of which of the following? So we have discussed parliamentary privilege today. I have already advised you that take screenshot of those 2 slides, and everything which is important is mentioned there only. So you have to tell me, as per the according to the parliamentary privilege, MPs are immune from which of the proceedings. So I am sure you are aware that whatever a MP is saying in the parliament, whatever vote a parliamentarian is given in the assembly or at the parliamentary level, he is immune from any proceedings in court of law. So answer for 13th is going to be A. Next, for how long are MPs protected from arrest in civil cases surrounding a parliamentary session apart from during the session? So apart from during the session, MP is protected from arrest in civil cases, not in criminal cases or in preventive detention cases, and he is protected during the session as well as 40 days before and after the session. So answer for 14th is going to be C. Next question, who manages the scrutiny of a privilege motion in the Lok Sabha? So which is the authority which is going to accept a particular privilege motion if if a parliamentary privilege has been breached, or who is going to reject it. And the person who is responsible for accepting or rejection of privilege motion is the presiding officer of the house, which is the speaker in the case of Lok Sabha. So answer for 15 is going to be C. Next question, if an MP notices a breach of privilege by another member, what action can they take? So a very easy question, because we are discussing it. Otherwise, it would have been a tough question. So in case a particular member of parliament has breached the parliamentary privileges, then any other MP can bring it to the notice of the speaker, and the speaker can take action on the basis of a privilege motion. So answer for 16 is going to be C. The 17th question, who has been appointed as a new chairperson of UPSC? So 4 persons have been mentioned. The previous chairperson of UPSC was Manoj Soni. Rajiv Kumar is the current CEC. And I'll ask you, who is GC Murmu of India? What position is held by GC Murmu? Mention it in the comment box. And the answer for us is Preeti Sudan, who has been appointed as a new chairperson of UPSC. Next question is from the India-China border dispute. The McMahon line was established as a result of which treaty or agreement? So 4 agreements have been mentioned, and on the basis of which agreement this McMahon line was decided? So this McMahon line was decided on the basis of the Shimla Convention of 1914, which basically took place between representatives of Britain, representatives of Tibet, as well as representative of China. However, China claimed that it was not there at the final signature of this particular McMahon line, so that's why it does not accept it. So answer for 18 is going to be A. So the penultimate question of today, how many industries are classified as core sectors in the Indian economy? So we have discussed this index of core industries, and 8 industries in India are classified as core sectors. So the answer for 19 is going to be B. Finally, the last question for today, which 2 countries are involved in a deal to process asylum claims for migrants rescued at sea? So again, I've asked you a question in your daily news analysis, where UK has entered into an agreement with XYZ country regarding a similar kind of deal. Another country which has entered, or countries which have entered into this particular deal, is Italy and Albania, and Albania is going to provide temporary residence to migrants who are coming from Italy, and in exchange for settling those migrants, certain monetary amount would be provided by Italy to Albania. So answer for 20th is going to be A. Okay, so student, these are the 20 GK questions for today. I hope you found some of these questions interesting. If you have any questions, any feedback, you can mention it in the comment box. And that's it from my side. Thank you and have a very nice day.